Hello, monkeys. Hello, monkeys. Hello, monkeys.
You're nothing but an overgrown. I do think it would be wiser for you to keep running. Round and round the monkey goes. If he should stop, then off.
Well, naturally, I'd expect nothing less from that monkey. I can easily shatter through the power ceiling of that monkey race. Sorrow and rage, but this time when the mad monkey comes charging, I'll be ready for him.
Hello, monkeys.
You spin quite a fascinating tale, monkey. Push you as it did so long ago. Don't you? There's nothing that I despise more than a monkey.
Hello, monkeys.
Just theater I could ask for. I might as well enjoy the show.
Hello, monkeys. Hello, monkeys.
Spare me your monkey wisdom. Quite a fascinating tale.
Aren't you? Like a little circus chip. You have to meet your problems head on.
Hello, monkeys.
Well, naturally, I'd expect nothing less from that monkey. I can easily shatter through the power ceiling.
Hello, monkeys. Hello, monkeys. Hello, monkeys.